Hi, I'm Paige Deers. I'm here with Jan Fiola, past president of Crew Chicago, and the convention is coming to your neck of the woods, Jan. And we're all very excited about it because the theme this year is about career choices and the power that men and women have to make those choices in their career. What else can we expect that theme to really expound upon at the show?
Paige, we have a great lineup of programs, events, learning excursions, dine-arounds, net walks. We have keynote speakers. We have Jim Collins coming to town.
Oh, yeah, Good to Great. That's the author.
Exactly, yeah. And, you know, the experience is different for everyone. It's your choice what you want to get out of the convention. So the topic choices, hopefully everyone will customize it to get the most that they want out of our convention.
Well, speaking of getting the most out of the convention, this is widely known as one of the biggest business development opportunities. These 3 days, a lot of deal making is be done. What can you expect from the deal makers attending the show?
We have over 8,000 women who are invited to the convention, and they're from all sectors. Real estate professionals. It could be an attorney doing a deal with another attorney, with their title person there. They could have an architect doing deals with a civil engineer. Maybe corporate real estate looking for a broker to represent them in the particular market. So a lot of opportunities to do deals at the convention, and that's what it is. It's all about making the choice to get the most out of the convention for you.
It's a great opportunity, and it sounds like widespread experts at this show. Well, let's talk a little bit about the expertise you bring to the show in corporate real estate. We're looking at 2013, Jan. What are some of the concerns that corporate real estate executives really face as we look to the year ahead?
It's still a challenging time. The corporate executives are looking for bottom line, the return on investment. It's also pooling the right talent to meet those goals. But once again, the convention is a great place for everyone to meet, do deals, and stay informed. The people that are on the cutting edge, that stay connected and know about the latest, greatest, can get those things from an example like our Crew convention. So hopefully everyone will come to Chicago.
Yes, it sounds like the place to be. Whether you're a man or a woman, come to the show. Lots of deal making, great education. We'll keep our eyes on the Crew convention. Thanks for sharing with us, Jan.
Thanks, Paige.